We should be back live right now. Nasdaq is not doing anything. It's not open yet. As you know, we're trading the DAX here. Let's just sum up here regarding the news today. So remember, we have employment change. We have some news coming in here today before market opening. So that's an hour before, and that's an hour and 15 minutes before. And Thursday, we also have some news coming in. As well, Friday, this is Wednesday, DAX is extremely overbought on a short time frame. Again, this is not my job to predict or hope for something. I went for a light short position that I might gonna get stopped out on. That's fine. I would like to add to the short once I get confirmation that we do not break above 550. So if we get some resistance here, I will go for a short, and you could see what I'm doing, and you could learn from that. So I'll open a light short position here to expect some resistance and to do a quick scalp around 550. It could also be a good way of shorting it here if we are showing some signs of progress on the downside. UK 100 is also showing some sort of resistance, lower lows and lower highs. Again, this could come back and it could sell off. I'm waiting for that confirmation, okay? So the overall idea of shorting it could be correct with a tight stop loss. Let's see here. I like to short the DAX here. It's currently trading at 20.28. Let's see here. If it's gonna sell off or it's just gonna come all the way back again, then we can short at a higher range. So currently resistant, currently top for the shorter time frame is 544. So the first 7 minutes, the highest was 544. Let's see if we're gonna break that. We could come to 600, we could come to 700, we could come to 23,000. I'm aware of that. I don't want to fight the trend. Very strong DAX here in the morning. Big push after some sort of like selling pressure. I'll go for a quick short here. It's currently trading at 35. It's a risky play. Let's see if it's getting rejected here at 550 and then start selling below 520. Right now it's just pushing and it's like very positive, and they really want to take and drive the market much higher. They live with that hope factor that this is just going to go up, and it might push above now, and they might push it even higher. And now we're trying to push ourselves above 550, and that could work. Big push on DAX here. It's insane. We are so positive every single day. It makes no logic sense. I'm moving my stop losses up here. It's completely insane. This is really nonsense. So UK is really selling off here on a shorter time frame, and DAX is just keep pushing. Let's see if we start selling off. So selling pressure on UK, but no selling pressure so far on DAX. I might exit this one here at 510. Currently trading at 50.48. So strong support again here. They might push it now to new highs. They're not gonna stop it. They keep pushing it. They really want to push it above 550, but they didn't manage to push it really. Selling pressure confirmation on the UK, but DAX keep pushing. What about Wall Street and the other indexes here? Also some sort of like selling pressure on the short time frame, but they pushing it. US tech. Also a big push. No confirmation at all. This month have really been tough trading wise, not really percentage wise, but it's just tough because there's no really direction. We don't know if the market is going to continue. We don't have to know, and we don't know if it's really going to sell off. So it's a middle range where either it's going to push to new all-time highs or it's going to dump. It looks like it's going to push to new all-time highs, not today, but there's a rule saying like sell in May and stay away. So there might be some selling pressure coming tomorrow. Big push here. It's unstoppable. It's because there's no reason for the DAX to fall. There is no need for the DAX to fall. They just keep pushing it and they just hoping that this is going to go up, and looks like it's going to go up. It looks like it's really going to push. I'll add to this one here. This is too insane. Do a little quick scalp here. Well, again, it could really push. Right now it's unstoppable. Let me just exit that one here. I think it's too risky to have an open two open positions at once. And it's just keep going up. From now on, it's not stopping at all. I think it could go to 600, but again, there's no confirmation. It's so slow. The market is really moving slow, and it just keep moving up. And I have to say, I'm at best at identifying a short position and holding on to that. Like just going in for long and just hope something will happen, that this is gonna rally forever. It's not really my style. It's not that it's not gonna work. It's not really my style. It looks like they're gonna push it to 600 or even higher. Every time it gets down, they just put liquidity and they just buying it everything back again. They have no plans of selling this off at all. There's no plans. They're just pushing it. It's coming right back. The best to do would be for me to do 50 contract and just hold along. But I'm just afraid that at some point they're gonna dump it back to 22,000. I'm not saying they're gonna dump it to 18,800. where we came from, the lows, but they could easily dump it back to 21,900 or even lower. And that's what I'm a little bit careful with. And that's why I'm not just doing a long. This is insane. So we are now over 15 minutes. This is the highs and this is the lows. No break above after 15 minutes means a short. No break below after 15 minutes means a long. Let's see if it's gonna stop here or if it's just gonna keep rallying. The new bar is gonna come in here in about a couple of seconds. The new bar came in right there. I could take a quick short here, a quick scalp. It's very risky. I'll go for a quick scalp here, short. Have a 20-point stop loss. I might get stopped down this one here. If it's not gonna sell off. Exit this, okay. Managed to exit for a loss. I thought it would push down, but it did not. So, no trades. Let's see. Currently trading at 561. 555. You could exit the short. We just opened there if you want. If you went in with a couple of contracts, 55. But I still have 2 open, so that's why I'm not exiting anything. But I could consider adding to this short. I think it's extremely overbought on a longer and a short-term time frame. But yeah, it's not really doing anything. It's just keep pushing and it's keep pushing and it's keep pushing and it's keep living with hope that this is gonna work or this is gonna be the new. And it's just, there's so much hope in this market and there's so much positivity. And of course, we shouldn't be trading against positivity, but we also have to be very realistic. Doing a short here again at 70 for a quick scalp. Let's see here. No progress at all. Just exit this one here for 150 at 65. Currently trading at 65. Still think it's going to come all the way back. Currently trading at 59. So you can exit your short now. I know this is not working and I know you're making zero money and I know you might have took some losses here in April because my trades is so quick and it's like not really making sense, but it's because the market is so weird. Like it's not what I really want to see. So either I could stop trading and I could just say, okay, we're not trading when there's no break above, no break below, and that's the right thing to do. But I still choose to scalp sometimes. No progress at all. It's just so strong, the market. I'd like to do another short here and then have my stop loss maybe at highs. Doing a short hit 72. Let's see if I can just get 5-10 points. The market is unstoppable. We'll exit this one here. No progress. It's not that I cannot hold it, it's just there's really no progress at all. They just keep pushing it and they just keep hoping that the market's gonna go higher, and it might gonna go higher. I'm not against it. I'm not saying it's not gonna go to 600. I'm not saying that this market is not gonna recover. I'm not saying that DAX is not gonna come all the way back to 23,500. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying this is too crazy on a short time frame. I think it could push to 650, and I think it could stop there, and I think it could sell off again. The maximum top I think we're going to see in the market for the next couple of months is 650. Let's see if I'm right. I predict 22,650 on DAX, and I predict lows of at least 21,500. So I think it's going to come at least back to here, or back to here. I think realistic back to 21,500. So I think it's going to fall at least 1,000 points. There's 100 points upside. I get that, and I get they want to push it much higher. As we can see right here, such a strong move here on how much did we sold off? Okay, so we sold out with 0.2% only. That's nothing. And DAX just keep pushing. It's just gonna keep rallying. Could consider doing another short here. It's insane. Doing a short here at 71, just to see if I can get back to 60 or 50. But again, there's no progress. We'll just exit here at 64. I know you're not able to catch these moves, and I'm sorry that you're not able to take these trades, and it doesn't make logic sense. Then you could just tune out and you could come back in a new month. It's going to start on Friday, or maybe even tomorrow. Yeah, it's going to start tomorrow. Crazy. I'll do another short here at 76. We'll exit this one here again. Just quick scalping, doing like $60, $100. I just don't really see why the market should continue trading up. It doesn't make logic sense to me. Big push on DAX. I'll short it here again at 90. For me, it's extremely overbought. But again, they're really pushing it. Just exit this one here for break even. Yeah, you could watch what I do and you could kind of learn from it. But if you look overall, it's gonna come down. It's gonna sell off. But again, it might push to 700. It might push to 600. I don't know. It's extremely overbought. And I shouldn't be trading these markets here. Could consider doing another short here, but again, they just keep pushing it. I don't know how long they're gonna keep pushing it, like 650. Yeah, I predict 660, 650 is gonna be the top. Do another short here at 695. Just going straight through. Insane. This is completely insane. I don't even know what to say. Moving my stop losses up. This is insane. I just exited the ones I just opened. No confirmation. Currently I have my stop losses up here at 69. I'm gonna take it all the way back to 22. I'm not super sure if this is gonna hold, but I'll have my target for these two positions at 22. So I have my stop losses up here, I have my take profit here. It's completely insane. Completely insane what's going on. And I don't even know what to say. I can just say one thing, that this is insane. I'll trade for another 5 minutes more, but I'm gonna hold these setups back to 22,000, no matter what. This might not be today, it might only be tomorrow or maybe Friday that we're gonna see these lows. Right now they just keep pushing it and it's not gonna stop. They really wanna push it up. There's nothing that could really stop the DAX right now. They just keep pushing it. Tricky. I'm not gonna add more to this position, so I'm holding what I have. This trade here, I'm gonna expect to make over the next couple of days, maybe 30,000 euro, 35,000 euro. So not almost double my account again. I'm gonna get my account to 80,000. So I'm holding, I see no risk holding this. It could push up and I just have to accept it and live with the risk. This is too insane. I'll give it 3 more minutes and then I'm gonna not exit but just close this live. I'm still holding it stop loss and take profit. My target was 650 and I know that could be possible. I didn't expect that the market really is gonna push so much above 550 and it did, but it didn't manage to close above 600 as you could see. So it didn't close above 600. I think it's a short opportunity. No progress at all. This is the days where we should just hold cash and not just go with the trend, because okay, so let's say we went long like anyone else. So everyone went long. So this bar, this is the 50-minute bar close. It did not close, so the body is below, so there's room here. So let's say you went long with 15 points confirmation. So that's 77, so that's going to be long at 605. So then you would have went long around here. Then you would have made 10 points, but you would not have exit. And then now you would have lost it all again. So you would be in loss right now if you use the opening range breakout, because there's no breakout. Like, it's fake. It's a fake out. Like, this is a fake out. This is what you should not be doing, okay? So I'll tune out here. I'll not be trading more, and I'll see you later, okay? Let's make some money. I'm holding this setup. You will